We're playing Grow Garden. So this is my garden. Yo guys, good morning, good morning. So this is my garden. Mag-harvest lang tayo ng fruits para pakainin ang ating animals. This is my dust cloth. Ang pangit. Charot. Ito yung mga blueberries. Pinagsama-sama ko lang sila para pag mag-harvest, pag may kailangan sa beanstalk, dito lang ako kukuha sa aking. Hi Rainbow Doggy Doggy. Gift po yan sa akin. Hello Hunter Kai. This is from Hunter Kai. So kahit sinong nag-trade, hindi ko yung binibigay because that's the first gift I ever received na merong mutation, yung animal. Kainin muna natin. I accidentally sold my Poseidon plant. Stay, and here I stay strong. So, bakit hindi ko pa nga ba yung binibenta? Can I see blast? Hello, B? Okay, that's it.